Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another one. How you been? I missed you. We are out here for the opening day of second season turkey. This will be my first time turkey hunting. I've had a couple trips lined up with a couple people that have always fallen through. And this year I decided, screw it. I'm gonna get a couple decoys, I'm gonna watch some videos, try and figure this thing out. So we have generously been given permission to hunt a very large piece of private land here. So I want to thank the landowners for giving me access to this place. We're gonna do the walk out here. It's a little bit of a walk. It's about 3/4 of a mile. Not hunting out of a blind today, and my reason behind that is since this is private land, these birds have lived here for quite a while. They know the layout of the land. And my thought behind this is if I come out here and I set up a pop-up blind or something like that, they're gonna look at that as like, hey, you know, we've never seen this out here before. This is a little suspicious. Let's just stay away. Don't know if that's how these birds think or not, but I figure there's plenty of cover out here. I should be able to get blended in pretty good. I'm not expecting to take home a bird today. If I do though, that will be more than a success. My biggest thing today is just kind of getting it all figured out, I guess. We're getting close to the point to where we're gonna have to start being quiet though, so I'm gonna get you turned off. I'm gonna glass the area a little bit here and see if I can't make this happen. So stay tuned guys, we'll get you back on once I get everything set up. I'm trying to get out to this spot here. I got these two geese that won't shut up. Shh. Good looking deer right there. We're getting close to our spot here. Laid out a couple of calls and never didn't get a response, but we're gonna set up in that wood line right there. Sun at our back. Hopefully that will help cover us in a little bit more even. I've been seeing them consistently over in this field here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get set up over here. Man, there's a lot of deer out here right now. I've been seeing these birds with these deer a lot, so I just want to make sure there's no birds out there. A lot of deer out here though. We were set up over past the tree line over there. There's another tree line. We were set up over there. The wind was really bad over there, so I decided to pick up and come up across this area here. Haven't been hearing anything today either. It's about 9:30. We found this good little area here. It's a tree that's fallen down. It's kind of blocking the wind a little bit, but the wind is still out there, so it's moving the decoys, as you can see. Just kind of a nice little open area, and I can see everything to the south of me here, and most of the stuff over on the west or the east side there. We'll give it a little bit more time though, and see what we can do. Like I said, this is my first time out doing this, so you know, I may be doing everything wrong right now too. I'm not 100% sure, but comment down below some tips and tricks. So it's slowed down quite a bit. That was pretty exciting. So we're gonna end it for this first day. I'm gonna go pull my cards on my 2 trail cams, get those checked out tonight, and maybe make a game plan for tomorrow morning. And we'll get back out tomorrow morning for day number 2. So stay tuned, guys. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to day 2. So yesterday, we'd gotten a couple of birds called in. Just from the initial look, it looked like they were hens. After going back to the video, though, I realized that there was an awful lot of red on those heads. I kind of zoomed in a bit, and I saw the little nubs of beards. So I believe those 2 were jakes. So, kind of kicking myself for not taking a shot. However, maybe that just opens up the opportunity to bag a better bird today. However, if I can get them to call back in again, I will probably take one of them, because we still have a 4th season tag that we're going to get, and I'd like to just get on the board this year. So anyways, we're going to go out there, get set up, try not to spook anything on the way in, and hopefully we can be walking out of here with a bird today. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, 3 very big turkeys. 4 of them. Oh, there's a big one. We're gonna try and cut around that side and cut them off. So there's 4 of them right down there. And they look like they're all males. One of them has got a very significant beard on him, so he took off running to the south there. So we're gonna see if we can't intercept down here, because he's gonna end up funneling. There's a pathway down there. He's gonna end up just funneling right down that. I want to keep these guys in sight. They have definitely spotted me at this point, so getting up on them is going to be difficult. Trying to make our way over this ridge here to these trees. Use the wind to our advantage here. Try and drown out some of our noise. So they're right down there. I just heard him gobble. Exciting. Oh. Oh my God. Yes. Holy shit, guys. Holy shit, I gotta get on it. Oh, oh my God, I am pumped right now. Holy cow, look at that guy. I'm not gonna show you his head because I pretty much blew his face off, but oh my gosh, look at those spurs. Oh my God. That is amazing. I am hooked on this sport. God, that guy weighs a ton. That thing is probably 25 pounds. Oh my gosh, I heard him gobbling while I was up there. And I kind of cut around because I was glassing over there and I didn't see him. So I came over here and it's like the first tree that I could get to. That's where I set up at and was able to get him called in. And every time I'd call and he'd gobble back, I could tell he was getting closer. Oh my gosh, what a bird. Oh my gosh. I pulled the trigger a little early. I didn't wait for him, you know, to extend his neck out. Just because I wasn't sure if he had seen me and if he was gonna book it. Okay, that right there, that is the reason why those jakes didn't die yesterday. Or one of them. I don't think I'm gonna be able to beat that. That's all right. I gotta get you set up on the tripod here so I can get some video. Yes. Oh, what a bird. I've seen pictures of people doing this. I've never got to do it though. Oh. Wow. How cool is that, guys? What a bird. Absolutely speechless. You gotta give me a thumbs up for that. That is my first turkey ever. And what a turkey to get. Oh my gosh. I'm still just in awe right now. I can't believe it. That's so cool. Big thank you to the landowner. I am so grateful that they allow me to hunt this property because they've got big birds like this in here. So I don't think we're gonna be able to top this on 4th season, but we're gonna try. All right guys, I'm gonna end it off here. As always, if you liked the video, smash the thumbs up button, and if you loved it, please subscribe. We're gonna be bringing more of this outdoor content here, more turkey hunting. I've still got the ice fishing videos to put together. We've got fishing in the summertime, and then we're gonna be back to duck and pheasant. So if you guys are duck hunters or pheasant hunters, if you enjoy that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you smash the bell notification so you're notified when we upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for coming along on my first turkey hunt ever. Hopefully I did most of the things right. Obviously I had to have done something right because I was able to get him called in and get him on the ground. So again, thanks for watching guys, and we will see you on the next one.